Hey everyone, welcome back to Curiosity Satisfactions. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of trigonometry. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. In fact, once you get the hang of it, you'll see how useful and interesting it can be. Think of it as the math of angles and triangles, but with a twist. Trigonometry helps us understand and solve problems involving these shapes in a variety of contexts. Imagine you're building a ramp for your skateboard. You need to know the right angle and length of the ramp to make it safe and fun. This is where trigonometry comes into play. That's where sin and cosine come in to determine the right ratios of different lengths of the ramp. They're like the dynamic duo of trigonometry. Sin, cosine, and tangent are the core functions you'll use. Now, let's talk about tangent. This function is particularly useful when you need to determine the steepness or slope of a line. Imagine you're designing a roller coaster. You need to calculate the steepness of a hill to ensure the ride is thrilling, yet safe. That's where tangent shines. You might have heard of degrees and radians. These are two different ways to measure angles, and both are crucial in trigonometry. Degrees are more common in everyday use, while radians are often used in higher-level math and science. Degrees are like the familiar way of measuring pizza slices, while radians are a bit more abstract but super useful in higher-level math. The right triangle is the star of the trigonometry show. It has one angle that's exactly 90 degrees, making it a special shape. This right angle is what makes the calculations with sine, cosine, and tangent so straightforward. We can solve countless problems involving right triangles. These functions allow us to find missing sides and angles with ease. Here's a quick trivia question. What's the ratio of the side opposite an angle and the hypotenuse in a right triangle? This ratio is fundamental in trigonometry and helps us understand the relationships within triangles. Comment down what you think it is. So, there you have it. We've covered the basics of trigonometry, including sine, cosine, and tangent, and how they help us solve real-world problems. Trigonometry might seem complex at first, but it's a powerful tool that can help you solve real-world problems. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.